got any other cool moves in you? Because we could really use some right now. I'll take it.
Sorry, I just don't see them. It's too dark.
They're here somewhere. I know it.
We leave no rescue rider behind.
Okay, but I think my wings are starting to freeze. Thanks, buddy.
Me too. Hit me with your best shot, Cutter. And your warmest.
Coming right up.
Maybe my next business should be indoors. Viking dance lessons. Or door-to-door butt attorney service, or... Whoa! Whoops! Who knew ice was so icy?
There's no more ice coming down. Nowhere else to jump to.
Oh, come on! How could we run out of ice up here? Is that a fire dragon?
Hey, little guy. Could you send some of that fire my way? That's it!
Great idea, but you might want to do it a little faster.
Now, one more, right here. Now that's more like it. Time to fly out of here.
Your wings, they're not heating up fast enough to fly us all out of here. Maybe you and the baby can make it. Go, save yourselves, I'll be okay. Until I go over the incredibly high waterfall.
No, I can't leave either of you.
Huh?
There has to be a way.
Look, it's the other rescue riders! Rescue riders! Rescue riders!
Layla, Dax, Winger, Summer, Purple, somebody!
Rescue riders!
Down here! We're down here!
It's no use, they don't see us! Unless we find some way to get their attention. Need I say more?
I hope you have enough fire in you, little guy. Flame on!
I got an idea. This always worked when I was a kid.
It's getting pretty cold.
I know!
Whoa!
There's Aggro!
They are here!
Not for long if we don't do something fast. Follow me.
It worked! They saw us!
Need a lift? Oh no, too cold!
I'm not gonna reach her!
Huh? Yeah. All right.
Was that hot enough for you?
Could have been hotter, but not bad for a razor wing.
What?
Just kidding. Thanks, Cutter.
I don't see him. Maybe he ran for it.
Cutter!
Look out!